What's going on here?
Someone hit the power pole?
Because we have a business and we closed down.
Well, someone got drunk and they hit the pole and knocked it down. The power's out.
Really? So which one's here?
I don't know. I just got here.
Okay, thanks.
I'm just taking over for the night crew.
Do you think they will fix tonight, today?
Oh, in a couple hours.
An hour? Okay, good. Thanks.
A couple.
At least, yeah.
Yeah, at least.
Thanks for the...
Everything goes okay.
Alright, thank you very much for the information.